Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over baking and everything with baking, and this is a redo from a past video I did that is now deleted. I just want to make it better and just better quality, and so this is going to be a redo of all things baking. Okay, before baking I always prime my face, put on the color corrector, foundation, and concealer, and then baking. The baking powder I'm going to be using is Jeffree Star Pink Cashmere Loose Setting Powder. All right, get that loose setting powder, open it up. I'm going to be getting that flat area of this type of sponge, this flat area, and then one dip into that baking powder, and I first always apply it under the under eye. Frick, I coughed again, just like in that other video. And then one dip and put it on the other eye. Coughing again. Holy frick. Yeah, I'm saying frick instead of get that all over here. I bake the entire face. Just a teeny bit more. I bake the entire face. I look like a powdered donut. Get that all over the entire face. And make sure the loose setting powder gets spread out through the pan, and bake that entire face. We're in a cooking show. And blend that, or else it's gonna be streaky and patchy and not good. Blend that. One dip. Then bake the nose. Bake that nose. No need to dip again. Make sure that loose setting powder is blended everywhere. I clean my hands. And then to dust that loose setting powder, I'm going to be using NARS press powder and a NARS brush. And then I'm going to get some of that press powder and just dust, 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 dust. Dust, 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 dust. Okay, makeup all dusted. I'm gonna get that same press powder and get the flat end of the brush and get some of that onto the brush. Why did I say brush? Sponge. And then get that good. And then really get that pressed powder everywhere. This is almost like a second layer foundation. Also really snatches the makeup. Get that pressed powder everywhere on the face. Everywhere on the face. Press, 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 press. And there is my baked face all set with the pressed powder. And make sure that it is all blended and all snatched. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. I'll be right back. Baked face, snatched face, pressed face. There is my makeup all done. Get a good look at the makeup. Now on to doing my hair for the final look. Wig cap, brush that wig. And there is the final look with my hair all done, makeup all done. Get a look at the makeup. Now on to the Instagram camera. Here is the Instagram camera. Get a good look at all the makeup. Lips, eyeshadow, highlight, contour, highlight, everything. Now in this lighting, you have a good look at the makeup, eyebrows, everything. And there is your tutorial on how to bake your face for your face beat. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.